The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company.
Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So in this channel I have uploaded a lot of videos related to CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, fiber earning, VPN, and some graphical stuffs as well, and email marketing. But I never try to upload anything like how you can earn cryptocurrencies, I mean Bitcoin. So here today in this video we will see how we can earn Bitcoin, and we are gonna see three different ways what we can use to earn Bitcoin, and those are all legit and it's very secure. You don't have to do any critical task for that. It's very easy. So I hope you will watch the full video till the end and don't skip any part. So before I start the tutorial, make sure that you subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also join our Facebook group Premium Share to get daily updates. So at first here, the site we are going to use is shortening.io. I will put the link in video description. So this site will allow you to short your link, and it will pay you daily to your account. Now if you come to their payout rates, you will see that they will give you $1 as bonus, and their payment methods is Bitcoin, PayPal, Wave Money, and many more payment options, and you will get daily payment. And if you notice here carefully, you will see they support both voice platforms, desktop and mobile, and for per 1,000 views you will able to earn up to $20. If working here it varies. Just create an account, you short your link and promote it to your traffic. Now if you want to create an account here, just click on register and register here, like you register on social media networks like Facebook or Twitter, and you can see the method that how to promote. So after you register, you have to confirm your account from your email, and after that you will able to come over to your dashboard. So now what to promote? You can go over to YouTube and search for the trending videos. Suppose you can promote trending games, memes, or songs, movies, etc. You can just copy the YouTube video URL and short this, and you can promote in social medias like in Twitter. So come over to your Twitter account and search for the trending topic related to your video, and then try to find out the latest or the top post where you will see the engagement. Now if you find out a good tweet, so you have to type here something like that, watch live or watch free this video, and enjoy it with your friends, share it for more latest free videos. So, type like this keywords and try to replay the comments. So this will bring you much more free traffic for your short link, and you are able to earn. So this also work for other social media sites like Facebook. So Facebook groups are really well to share your short link. So just go for Facebook groups and search for Facebook hashtags, and in the videos and in post where you will see much more engagement, so you can just put leave there your short link to get traffic. Another alternative here it is, you can also earn from link veritize. I hope you know that that's website. It's a URL shortened site. So if you use the link in video description to register on the site, then you will able to get $2 bonus as your starting balance in working in this site. So I hope you will use this. So this is our second way, our second method, that what we can use to earn Bitcoin. So here it is. private CPA. So I'll put the link in the description. So here in this CPA marketplace, you have to register as a publisher and you have to do CPA marketing. You have to promote their products, and when it's the payment time, you will able to get your payment over Bitcoin. So there is to be sites like Max Bounty or Cracknipping. Those sites allow us to get payment over Bitcoin, but it's and now in this time they changed their payout system, so you can rely on this network privatecpa.io. so this will allow you to earn your payout over Bitcoin. Now registering here, it's a bit tough in CPA marketplaces as days go. So here, when you register on these sites, you have to mention that you are pretty advanced in promoting CPA or affiliate marketing offers. So when you register here, you have to choose your verticals and every month revenue earning. So put it like that you are very advanced and you do native ads and or pop-up ads, this type of things. And after that, when you just click on register, they're gonna send you an email. So they ask you what type of offer or product you usually promote, so you can tell any of them. Now if you don't know how to do affiliate or CPA marketing, you can come over to my YouTube channel, and in my channel I have almost upload more than 50 videos where I have shown you most of the time free method how you can do CPA or affiliate marketing for free, so you can watch those. So here comes our last but not the least, the unique method what you can use to mine Bitcoins. So let's see this unique method how you can mine Bitcoins. So you have to come over this site unmineable.com. Now you can see here in the home page there are all the cryptocurrencies what you can use to earn from this website. So you can see there's a Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, all the cryptocurrencies. So they support all, and when you get paid, they're gonna charge only 1% from you, but it's not required any type of your your computer task, like you don't have to type or comment or do any affiliate or affiliate marketing. All this matter is your CPU or your graphics GPU card, how powerful that is. So if your graphics card or GPU or CPU is a good powerful, I mean more than 6 GB RAM, or have some great amount of 4 GB or 2 GB graphics card, so you can start your Bitcoin mining with this software. So what you have to do, just you can see there's 4 different options for earning. So you can, if you are just having a PC, so you can go with a random CPU and try to get earn. Now you can see here there's an option for download, so just click here and download, and there's a 2 options, so just click here and you have to save the link. So create a folder any of your device, a drive, and save it. Okay, so this will take some time to download the package. After that, you have to extract this zip file and you will see software. So whenever you try to open the software, you will see your antivirus will knocking you for that it's a virus or some malware, but it's not, because this is gonna take your computer power to generate some Bitcoin. So you have to just turn off your real-time protection when you are mining Bitcoin with this software. So after that, when you try to when you just start in your mining, you have to choose what coin you want to earn. So here for myself, I am going to show you Bitcoin. So select BTC and type here your blockchain or Coinbase account wallet address and click on start. so it will start mining the bitcoins depending on the power of your CPU. You can see here, if you want to make it high, so you can do it high, but if you have a powerful PC, so you can do it just as it is and leave your PC, and it will do automatically mining and able to give you payment. So this is the easiest way. Without doing anything, you are able to earn bitcoin. So if you want to learn more about this thing, so you can just comment below so I can elaborate more. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this today's video, and if you want, you can share, or you can join our Facebook group and comment for more latest videos. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a great day.